Welcome to Brains World 23! Let's rock!
All right, so this is a 1960 Karmann Ghia Convertible that we're picking up today. As you can see, the restoration got started on it. Looks like there's aluminum foil down there. I don't know what that is.
Soundproofing material.
Soundproofing material. Okay, here we go. There's a whole bunch of parts, original parts that came with it. We're gonna do a body off full restoration on this car. I'm gonna finish tearing it down, nuts and bolts. Gonna go through it. And we're gonna go ahead and do a restoration. All right, so hey, so this is the current owner. Your name?
Chris.
Hey, this is Chris. This is the current owner, Chris. So, Chris, how long have you had the car?
I've owned it about 2 months.
About 2 months?
Yeah.
What? Why after 2 months you want to?
Well, I decided it's always been my dream car to have a convertible Ghia, and I found it, but I'm going to be probably a couple years before I would ever get this on the road, and I kind of wanted something I could enjoy now. So I found a '69 coupe, Ghia coupe that's pretty much ready to roll. So I bought that to drive around and have some fun with.
Nice, very, very nice. So the guy you bought it from, how long did he have it?
He owned it for like 3 years. And he did the stuff to the pan and the front end and stuff.
Okay.
And he bought it back in 2000. So basically almost 4 years, 2000. I'm sorry, 2020 he bought it. And it had been sitting for 20 years in a horse barn.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
In a horse barn. Oh, my gosh. That's a long time.
Yeah.
Oh, man. So did he get to meet the original owner?
I don't know if it was the original owner, but he got to meet the person that owned it for the longest time. This people that had it bought it, and their kid drove it back and forth to college. As you can see, there's still a college sticker in the window.
Right there. In 88.
Yeah.
Oh my
So
gosh.
it's been sitting in that barn since about 88 was the last year I've been on the road for my knowledge. So
long time.
Yeah.
Long time. So do you know if anybody gave it a name? Because most of my cars, I give them names.
No, he hadn't named this one yet. With the guy I bought it off, he names all of his cars, but he hadn't named this one yet.
So this one didn't get a name,
No,
and
not yet. No.
the other, but it was in a horse barn, huh?
Yep.
I don't know. Maybe we'll call it horse.
There you go.
What city and state did it come out
It
of?
came out of Indiana, Cicero, Indiana.
Cicero, Indiana.
Yep.
Oh, cool. Hey, tell me about the car that you bought that you're going to take on the road soon.
I bought a '69 Karmann Ghia coupe.
Yep.
It's got a 1776 engine in it. I bought it with no transmission or engine in it. It had been owned by an older gentleman up in Elmira, and he passed away here back in October, and his 2 kids decided to sell it. It's been sitting in a garage for the last 20 years.
Wow, another barn find. You show it to us a little bit.
Yeah,
Tell us a
certainly.
little about your car.
Yeah, it's like I said, I get to the point where I just about got it ready to start. Had to go through and buy a bunch of stuff that I was missing. But like I said, dual carburetor, dual Solex carburetors, 1776.
Nice.
So we're getting closer.
Very good.
I'll picture the interior.
Pretty cool pedals down there. Very nice. It's got a sound system in there.
Yeah.
Does it bump pretty good?
I don't know. I haven't had the car. I haven't have a battery in it yet.
No battery yet, huh?
Yeah. No, they converted it from going in the back to the front or to the underneath the seat. So I had to buy a special battery, and I just got that yesterday. So
Cool.
I haven't had a chance to get that, but I still want to put the original bumpers back on it and put some different wheels on it, but got to get it running first. So.
How's it look under the hood?
Looks good.
Let's take a peek. Wow, it's got a nice nose on there too. Most Ghias, the noses have some damage. This one doesn't seem to have any damage. Wow, nice and clean.
Yep. And I got a carpet kit that goes in it that goes all through here to kind of hide everything. And
very nice. There's the wiring right there. This is really, really clean. Look at that. No damage to the nose. That's good. That's real lucky to get that because most of them have damage. Nice, clean car. All right. They'll have to send us some pictures and when you get it on the road. It'll be soon. Next week. There you go. All right. Please. I don't have a lot of subscribers yet, but I'm trying to get there. Takes a while. Happy birthday, sweetheart. Here's your 1960 Karmann Ghia Convertible. Her name is, guess what? Epona. All right, love you, baby. 1960 Karmann Ghia Cabriolet at her new home. Her name is Epona. All right, this is my 1960 Karmann Ghia project car. This car's name is Epona. The reason why it's called Epona is because it was found in a barn that was in the barn for about 20 years. Somebody started restoring her, and it was a horse barn, actually, that it was found in. And that is the name of my wife's horse, Epona. And that's why she's called Epona. This car is pretty complete with everything needed to finish restoring it. In fact, the pans were already done on this. I'm still going to be taking it off body, go through the front end and everything, make sure the brakes are done, etc. It even has an engine, the right engine for it. She is a beautiful car, Epona.
23. Follow us on Facebook,